on our way to go pick up our new Bradco severe duty brush monster. Chip's all excited. We've been waiting quite a long time for this. We've got a new compact track loader coming. We've done a lot of internet searching, done a bunch of reading, been doing a bunch of phone calling, you know, typical market research. And we're excited to find out if this thing's going to be worth the price that we're going to pay for it. About $14,500 plus tax just for the mower. Oh well, nothing cheap these days. Just hope it works. Well, we have it. It's here. We made it home. Everything's good. Nothing's broke. Nothing came off. Got these swinging bladelets here. Carbides under there. I'll show you all that in a little bit. But first things first, gotta take it off the trailer. How's it going? Oh, I even get some free grease and oil. Perfect. Martha's in it. She's reading the instructions. Got to figure out how to run it.
Turn it on.
So here it is, a Kubota SVL 97.2, 97 horsepower, brand new. It'll never be this clean again. It looks nice. All right, so we've got a used bucket for now. We ordered a bucket, it hadn't showed up yet, so they gave us a used one, which is fine. That feels pretty nice.
Nice. It burns.
Radio, backup camera, brakes off. Martha's first drive. Couldn't be any worse than mine. Not sure if everybody realizes I've been driving equipment a long time, driven bulldozers, tractors, farm implements, some military equipment. This is only the second skid steer or compact track loader I've run, and the others were foot pedals. This is joystick. This is a little different. A little learning curve. I'm sure it won't be too much, but there will be a learning curve. It's already got a hunk of dirt right there against the track. Oh my goodness. That's intolerable. Let me go get the armor all. I need to clean that out. Wow. And then what about wax? They didn't tell me how you wax this thing. Here's my first scratches in the dirt. Not very impressive. He says, I don't know about this. He keeps looking over there like, please, please. Isn't that right, Chippy? That backup beeper is obnoxious. We're gonna have to fix that.
Oh, I like it. It makes noises. That thing ate you, Mommy.
What do you think, Chip?
You were in his belly.
We are here in front of our new ensemble of machines. We ordered this Kubota well before Christmas. It's the biggest, baddest machine Kubota makes for this. It's near 100 horsepower, give or take 11,000, 12,000 pounds. I don't remember exactly, but it's in that range. It's a full-size track skid steer. However, you may have noticed there's something attached to the front. This is a Mulcher brush cutter. This is rated to cut down trees 10 inches diameter. And then when those trees are on the ground, drive over it, mulch it into chunks of small wood, little garden mulch, so to speak. And then, because it's got carbide cutters on the disc, it's gonna sit there and it's gonna grind down to the ground. This is one bad machine. This has a piston motor. They're more efficient than most other motors like this. It's got 4 big old blades. These pivot. Some are tucked up into there, but you can see it. These have reversible edges. Cool thing is this thing will run either direction, so you can use one blade for the rough work, and then like a double bitted axe, you can come back and spin it the other direction and have a sharp blade. It's got 4 rows of carbide studs or teeth. These are designed to cut the stump to the ground. So basically, the way this thing works is you've got a push bar up here. You push the tree with this, it leans it over. You cut it with that, it falls away, and then you drive over it, grind the tree into dust or chips, and then go back and grind the stump to the ground. Then you go, woohoo, that was fun. And then go find another one. That's impressive. Look how big that branch it just cut right there. It's like a 4-incher. Hell, that's 5 inches. Doesn't look that big when I pinch it, but that's a nice sized branch. It whacked right through it. It hardly even jumped. Some of these trees have been bothering me for quite some time. Wow. Pretty big tree. gone. Very impressed. Right now, I would rank this about a 9.0 on a Yeehaw-o-meter, because this is fun.